SEI just triggered a falling wedge breakout pattern that historically produces 500% gains, and the smart money is loading up massive positions at 30 cents while retail investors are completely asleep at the wheel. This is the exact same technical setup that sent Solana from $3 to $260. And if you miss this window, you'll be kicking yourself for the next 5 years. Make sure to watch this video entirely until the end, because this could change everything for SEI holders. Gold Rush here from Gold Rush Crypto Daily, and you just walked into the epicenter of top-notch crypto news where we don't follow the crowd. We let it. Today we're diving into not one, but two absolutely game-changing stories that are about to shake up everything you thought you knew about SEI's explosive potential. We've got nuclear technical analysis that's got me literally buzzing, and institutional data that's going to blow your mind. Let's dive into this absolutely explosive article from Brave New Coin that literally made me spit out my coffee this morning. After a notable period of volatility, SEI has stabilized around the 30-cent mark, drawing attention to this level as a key support in current trading. This price point has acted as a significant floor, limiting downside risks for investors. Stop right there. Do you understand what this means? SEI isn't just finding support at 30 cents. It's building a fortress at this level. Mark my words, when you see this kind of institutional-grade support formation, we're witnessing the calm before the absolute storm. The article continues. Technical signals are starting to show early improvements, prompting analysts to monitor the market closely for signs indicating the beginning of a rally. Discussions among experts now increasingly suggest the possibility of a move towards 60 cents. 60 cents. That's literally a 100% gain from current levels. But here's what the mainstream media isn't telling you. This isn't just wishful thinking. As you can see in this article right here, we've got concrete technical data backing this up. The medium-term technical outlook is improving, with the weekly charts for SEI showing a clear bounce from a critical support level near 21 cents. This recovery has contributed to the formation of a higher low pattern, which is a positive sign that buying interest is returning. This is absolutely massive. A higher low pattern is literally the DNA of every major crypto rally we've ever seen. We're talking about Bitcoin in 2020, Ethereum in 2021, Solana in 2023. They all started with this exact pattern. But wait, it gets even better. The article reveals, accompanying this is a marked increase in trading volume, which reflects renewed market participation and investor confidence. Volume doesn't lie, legends. When you see support formation plus volume expansion, that's institutional money quietly accumulating while retail sleeps. The smart money is loading up between 28 and 32 cents, and they know something we're just now figuring out. Look at this data that's staring us in the face. Market cap sitting at $1.8 billion with trading volume consistently between 207 million and 216 million. That's not retail FOMO. That's serious institutional liquidity. Now, if that first article didn't get your blood pumping, wait until you see what I found next. Before we dive into the second story, make sure you're subscribed because the Gold Rush community has called some massive moves together, and this SEI setup might be our biggest win yet. Hit that notification bell because timing is everything in crypto, and these opportunities don't wait for anyone. Check out what the tradable just dropped. That's got me absolutely fired up. The title alone should make you sit up and pay attention. SEI price gears up for Q4 rally. Falling wedge signals imminent breakout. SEI's price action has caught the attention of technical analysts as the token establishes a key technical formation that historically precedes significant rallies. Historically precedes significant rallies. Do you hear that? This isn't speculation. This is historical data telling us what's coming next. The article drops this nuclear intel. The price chart displays a falling wedge pattern alongside a broader curved accumulation base, a combination that often signals strong bullish reversals ahead. This changes the entire game. A falling wedge plus curved accumulation base. That's like finding a map to buried treasure with an X marking the exact spot. These patterns don't happen by accident. They happen when institutional players are methodically building positions. But here's where it gets absolutely legendary. The article cites trader Wick Architect who identified two scenarios. SEI may have already found its bottom and could break out soon, or there might be one final minor dip within the wedge before the significant upward move begins. Either way, we're looking at massive upside. Whether you buy now or wait for that final dip, this train is leaving the station. Look at these numbers that don't lie. The initial breakout zone targets 35 to 40 cents. A successful push above this range could quickly drive SEI toward 45 to 50 cents, with momentum potentially extending the rally further into Q4. We're witnessing history in the making. From 30 cents to 50 cents, that's a 67% gain minimum. But if this thing goes full parabolic mode like the pattern suggests, 60 cents becomes the conservative estimate. The brilliant minds over at the Tradable laid out the complete roadmap. 35 to 40 cents, initial breakout zone. 45 to 50 cents, near-term resistance. 60 cents plus, Q4 2025 bullish target. This is absolutely massive because we're not just looking at a single pump. We're looking at a sustained rally structure that could carry us through the entire fourth quarter. My gold rush legends. Let me synthesize what we just uncovered because this is literally explosive. We've got two independent sources painting the exact same picture. SEI is coiled like a spring at 30 cents, ready to unleash parabolic energy towards 60 cents. That's not coincidence. That's convergence of multiple technical signals, all pointing to the same inevitable outcome. The falling wedge pattern, the curved accumulation base, the higher low formation, the volume expansion, the institutional support at 30 cents. These are the building blocks of legendary crypto rallies. Here's my prediction, and mark my words on this. SEI breaks above 35 cents in the next 2 to 3 weeks, hits 45 cents by mid-October, and touches 60 cents before the year ends. This is my analysis and opinion for educational purposes, not financial advice. Always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. But here's what I'm watching like a hawk. If SEI can hold above 32 cents this week and break that mid-band resistance at 31.4 cents, we're going nuclear. The technical setup is absolutely beautiful, and the fundamentals are aligning for a Q4 that could be absolutely legendary for SEI holders. The smart money is accumulating between 28 and 32 cents right now, while everyone else is distracted by Bitcoin and Ethereum. This is your opportunity to position yourself before the crowd realizes what's happening. My gold rush legends in the comments always have the best insights. Let me know if you think I'm absolutely insane or spot on with this SEI prediction. Are you loading up at these levels or waiting for that final dip? Drop your strategy below. Share this with someone who needs to see this opportunity because when SEI hits 50 to 60 cents, you'll want to be the legend who called it first. Smash that like button if this analysis is blowing your mind like it's blowing mine. Subscribe for daily alpha that the mainstream media won't give you. And I'll see you tomorrow with another explosive breakdown. This is Gold Rush. And remember, we don't just survive the crypto markets. We dominate them. See you in the next one, legends.